Hello! Ngayon, ito muli si Teacher Chris, nagbabalik para sa Lesson 8 na Grade 5. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ang tungkol sa Visualizing Division of Fractions. So, halimbawa, meron ako dito, visualizing means, to visualize means to see it. So, ipapakita natin kung paano ginagawa ang division of fraction. So, halimbawa, meron ako ditong 1/8 divided by 2. This will become 1/16. So, ang mangyayari dito is ganito. Meron akong isang buong papel. Halimbawa, so meron ito isang buong papel. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, hatiin natin ito siya sa 8 equal parts. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, i-fold nyo ito into 8 equal parts. So, halimbawa, this is, okay, and this one. Okay, so this will be, then open it, you have 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are going to get one part of that. So, divided by 2, so, ito yung one part. Kung titingnan natin, yung 1/8, ito lang ito. Then, hahatiin mo siya sa dalawa. So, ang makukuha nating part is 1/16. Bakit naging 1/16? Kasi pag hinati mo rin ito, yung 8 ng tigalawa, you will get only 1/16 equal parts. Okay, this is how you model and to show 1/16, which is the result of 1/8 divided by 2. Another example is 1/2 divided by 5 is equals to 1/10. What does it mean? If I have here one whole piece of paper, I'll divide it into 1/2. So I'll get half of it. So this is half. Okay, then divide this into 5 equal parts. So this 1/2, I will divide this into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you only get 1 out of 10. So 1/10. Okay, so if you divide this, the 1/2 will become 5, and the other one will become 5. So you get only 1 part of 10 equal parts. So this is how you show 1/2 divided by 5 is equals to 1/10 using models. Before I will discuss further ng operation ng division of fraction, mag-review muna tayo ng mga simple processes in mathematics. So in your module, may ganitong klase ng tanong wherein you are going to change division sentence into a fraction form. So, simple lang ang gagawin natin. This is 3 divided by 13. So, it also means 3 divided by 13. In fraction form, you are going to use the fractional bar. So, instead of using division sign, you are going to use the fraction bar. Okay, so this will be your numerator and this one will be your denominator. As simple as that. I think this is the exercises in learning test number 1 in your module. Okay. So here, another things you are going to review is to reduce fraction to lowest term. For example, we're going to reduce 12 over 32. So into the lowest term. So 12 over 32 reduce to lowest term. The first thing you're going to do is to find the greatest common factor, the GCF of 12 and 32. So, diba, the process is 12 and 32. So, all you have to do is to use continuous division. 12 and 32 are both divisible by 2. So, you divide this. This will become 6. and this will become 16. So we have 6 and 16 are still divisible by 2. So divide this by 2. So you have 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. 3 and 8 has no common divisor aside from 1. So all you have to do is to stop and you look for the common factor, which is 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. So we're going to use 4 as the greatest common factor of 12 and 32. So how to reduce? You divide 12 by 4. It will give you an answer of 3. And 32 divided by 4 is equals to 8. So therefore, the lowest term of 12 over 32 is 3, 8. So this time, I'm trying to show you how to use the process of dividing fraction by another fraction. So remember, there are only 2 rules for us to follow in dividing fraction. The first thing we're going to do is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. The word is reciprocal here, and okay, you have to remember this. And number 2 is you multiply the dividend by the reciprocal. So the dividend by the reciprocal. For example, I have here 10 and 1/2 divided by 3/4. So 10 and 1/2 is the dividend and the 3/4 is the divisor. So when you talk about division of fraction, the first thing you are going to do is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. So the reciprocal of the divisor, this is the divisor. So all you have to do is to change only the position of the numerator and the denominator. So the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4 over 3. So this will be the reciprocal of 3/4. Now the second rule is to multiply the dividend by the divisor. So you are going to use multiplication. Meaning to say, in rule number 2, you change division into multiplication. But since 10 and 1/2 is a mixed number, so the first thing you're going to do is to change it to an improper fraction. Sige. How are we going to do this? So you multiply 10 times 2 is equals to 20 plus 1 is equals to 21. Then copy the same denominator. Then use 4 over 3 as your multiplier. So instead of division, we use now multiplication. Then you multiply 21 times 4 is equals to 84. Then 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Therefore, 10 and 1/2 divided by 3/4 is equals to 84 over 6. As simple as that. So that's how you are going to divide mixed fraction by a fraction. So I'll repeat again. Change first the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay? Then you multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of your divisor. That's it. Okay, another example is 1/2 divided by 2/3. So this time it is a fraction by a fraction. So the first thing you're going to do is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. Just interchange the position of your numerator and denominator. Then multiply the dividend by the divisor. So 1/2 times 3 over 2. Remember again, use multiplication in the second process. So you multiply 1 times 3, it will give you a result of 3. And 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So therefore, 1/2 divided by 2/3 is equals to 3/4. That's it. Again, this is Teacher Grace na nagsasabi sa inyo na math is for life. Math is life. Ang math ay buhay. Kaya tara na, gawin natin yung makabuluhan ng ating buhay. Matuto na. So by this time, I just want to remind you na please subscribe my channel also. And don't forget to click the bell para masundan nyo kung ano yung susunod kong ituturo sa inyo.